Assalamu alaikum. I'm Syed Hassan Ahmed. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to hide formulas and log cells in Excel. For example, this is a attendance sheet. In my company, people forgot to mark their in and out, or sometimes their in and out missing. So I create this sheet and send it to each and every department to get their missing in and out timings. For example, his department right here 11 a.m. means he had marked his out at 11 a.m. and somehow we didn't get his time. So it means he was present and get 3 hours OT. If he had worked in shift 3C, he would get 4 hours OT. No formulas because I don't want anyone to ruin it, so that's why I have hide and lock the cells. Now we are going to do that in this sheet. I want to hide and lock the cells because I don't want anyone to know the mechanism behind it, and I don't want to ruin it. Select all, go to find select button. If you want to select only the formulas, just select the formulas, and if you have something special, like go to special and formulas, like according to your need, you can uncheck these, press OK. It will select only the formulas. Control 1, right click or format cells, or you can also go from here. It will select this, go to protection tab, lock, and check on hidden, press OK. Then also go to here, select these, control 1. It will also go to the format cells and uncheck the lock button because I want to write here. This is how it works. First, issue date, then people who are getting the experience letter, I just write their code and we get the data, but this is formulas is still showing. So to hide this, we must protect this sheet. If you have the password, okay. If you don't want to write it, just select OK and press enter, or 123 123, the same password type. Okay, this is locked and no one can see the formulas, but it is also working. I issue another letter, 1500, 166. Akhtarzada. He is getting his experience letter. I have attached this sheet to a mail merge sheet to save my time. Hope you like this video. Inshallah, in later tutorials we will learn how to use mail merge, and in Excel we will learn how to use if logical conditions, and this to make this dynamic sheet. I have used here weekday function, VLOOKUP, and again VLOOKUP. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.